Jaja, I'm back against the wall. When man need them not there for my dad. Those my gun and ganja. That alone me.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Today video gonna be lit, so please consider subscribing if you're a new viewer, and bless up all of the new subs. You see me and all of the loyal fans, cause them know we just jump in a video. Alright people, so differently from Dexta Daps allegedly get Footahype pregnant, we're gonna talk about Intence engagement with the crash and how him react to it after and everything. You see it, people? So Intence drop a new song called Guidance. You see me? And when before the dog crash, him and Footahype put in some beef, and since the dog crash, Footahype set some ups and use that as an advantage. Try use, cause it not work, you see it. But bigger man thing, when I go tell no lie still, him a blow it out of proportion that a Footahype. You see me? Him say some things on the media and I go read it out, me couldn't hear what go on. You see me? Me know him now no powers, him no powerful, so him not live no life. People spend money for do good. What him a do? Alright guys, so this was Footahype remarks, you see it? So the more I go crash, the more I go dead. The more I go suffer. And that is not a wish, that is a fact. Footahype said during the session, things will happen now. Our fault, you see it? Man, I said the ancestor them out there, man. When you rise against the Lord and 90, they are going to feel the pressure. We just grateful say him now. There, you see it? Because the ancestors them never chose for him there, you see me? All of the fans them have to just give thanks to the ancestor, them lift up them head, them hand, and say, alright, we're not going to kill him, we just want you. You see me? So with that said and done, he might try say, look how much people crash, Footahype crash and no, Jack Curie, I should say. Footahype say Jack Curie crash, Intence crash and some other crash will take place at Mobile, right? So with that said and done, further ado people, that when say that deliberately go to Intence, you see it? So when you see Intence come to the public, so same way, you must show them say, alright, you work with that, we work with that too. I'm sure it's some guard up. So in a sense, Intence, I show the people them same guard, and not only that, me I go show no what else. Alright, differently guys, so with that said and done, I just say, me I go show no Intence is a smart youth, you see pray, so alright, so the dog is set and take it to them with powers, which in a situation like that, when you're lucky for set some box and make it out alive, you go give thanks, you're not gonna give thanks to your gathering, you get me people. So the dog is have a gathering when enough people don't know the symbol upon it, is it? But you see the symbol, it's a symbol of protection, divine providence of I. You see me? It represents something different and more than enough people think. So it come like God, I watch him through the ring, is it? I guard him, I guide him. So Intence, you know people, them man they, right now me I tell you, them man they godly, so some people have to watch, say true, him take it to them different. But differently still people, listen me, it not take nothing for Footahype yet, nothing, because when you go show up yourself like that, you see pray and not talk about you do this and you do that. Remember Intence have more money than your dog, you know no money in Footahype. You see me? So if the dog say, alright, powers for powers, who are gonna get for? Who are gonna get knock? You dog, you see me? So be careful of what you say and what you wish. You see, simple. Simple like that people, so yeah. You're jumping on that video now.
Maybe like it, so when you're like when you're planning to do a pregnancy test or you just go and roll out. What I know what happened? If you're pregnant, I would like you to come and chat and laugh and share it to the world.
We don't know.
Why?
We don't know if we want to do that.
Yeah man people, so Lisa hyper break silence on the live. You see me? And before we talk about that, Cartel join the life and say, yo, me are the Godfather. You see it? You know him style already, you see me? But differently from that, the dog is style are wicked, because I know Cartel is like something wrong with him differently. I don't know. Like him have that thing about him. But anyways, him say pray I must joke still. The man I say, yo, him pray the pitney I get Lisa mouth. You see me differently, but you see me? I want them see she drink Hennessy and a bun with the Z pre, so I'm not sure how that is, you see me? And yeah, but differently still. Watch out. So as she say, people on the live, me I go play the live so they can watch it. You see me? So the people them want to know if a Dexta Daps breed it. You see me? I will know how them close. Big one thing, you see me? Dexta Daps and her, them get seen mutual time, so much time. You see me? And the type of person on song with Dexta Daps sing, I want drink she get wet. You see me? I don't lie, guys. We just have to talk the truth. You see me? And if them for say so, people would have find it hard for no one believe. Cause me, but I believe, I would know them want breed for top man, cause I know for, you see me? Find the bad song, them door peeps, talk truth. You see me? So may I make on a listen to the video and then you can watch it and tell me what you feel.
If you're pregnant, I would like you to come and chat and laugh and share it to the world.
We don't know.
Why?
I don't know if I want to do that.
Well, Sakate say I'm the godfather.
So I'm not the godfather, I'm the godfather, of course.
Oh. Okay.
Why Adi don't behave himself?
Me no know, I'm say,
Him can't chat.
So listen now, Lisa. Pregnancy.
Him tell you no, it's not me tell you no nothing, it's him tell you no.
You want to talk about God don't baby get Lisa out. But listen what I'm saying to you, Lisa. Lisa.
Yes.
Pregnancy is something you cannot hide. It's something.
Make sure you enjoy the video too, guys. Please consider and subscribe, like, share to a friend or your family. At the end of the video, this